Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your Flylady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Thursday, it's Errand Day, so we have a 3-layer cake. First layer, the 5 routines. Morning routine for yourself and your children. If you're going to work, you're done. If you're going to stay at home, you're going to do laundry and paper routine. When you are working, when you come home, you're going to do laundry and paper routine. Then everybody's going to do the after dinner routine and the before bed routine. 5, the number of grace in our routines. Very important. All right, the second thing in our 3-layer cake is our zone. We are in zone 3, the main bathroom and one other room. So if you are not cluttered in these areas that you've chosen, then deep clean one thing, total of 4 for the week, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 10 minutes or less. If it's cluttered, then don't deep clean. Declutter for 15 minutes, including throw away, put away, give away. At the end, complete the process by throwing away, putting away, and putting the giveaway in the back of your car. The third thing in our 3-layer cake is our basic weekly plan, and today is Errand Day. So go buy your groceries today, go run all your errands today, or place your grocery order if you're not going to buy your groceries to have them delivered or picked up at a later time. That's it. When you come home and you've gone out to get groceries, put them away. You've got a nice tidy refrigerator, because on Wednesdays you like to do that, remember? So put them away, separate the meats the way you need, label things. Make sure you have supplies for those as part of your groceries, and put them away. You've got Sharpie markers and good Ziploc bags for the freezer, etc. Put them away. Then lay out what you're going to have for dinner, or maybe you did that this morning, and that's great. Enjoy your day. Don't forget always remember your 3 clutter checks, and that's it. So I want you to have a fabulous day. I want you to enjoy your errand day. Make sure you do it strategically and you stay focused, and always remember that you are beautiful.